him. Unahin ko na siya kasi law and order. Bato, I would describe or characterize him as he is a soldier and he has the fundamental honesty. Pardon for saying that, I do not deliver speeches. I just want to have a conversation with my crowd. I cannot say na talagang pure because alam buhay ng pulis. If they achieve something, yung natulungan nila, magbigay or magpasalamat, magpadala ng pagkain, lechon, ganun. And I do not, I don't have any qualms about that. Pero kung sabihin mo si Bato manghingi, at hindi lang si Bato, not only Bato, but all the guys who were once upon a time passed by Davao in their career na maging sila, maasa niyan sila kung saan tour of duty. Morente, Coy, si pati si si Coy, si Morente sa BI, mga to, mga dumaan ng, at I assure you, pag